Hey yo guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. No, this is probably the first time you hear my voice, but then today I just decided to do something different, release like tutorials on how to use zmodeler. Because a lot of people have been complaining, saying, hey Lex, please teach us how to use zmodeler, please Lex, please we beg you. And they've been piling up my inbox, so today I'm just gonna give you a few tips. Like today we're just gonna do the basic stuff, how to import rims after importing rims, and also how to add fog lights. That's the simplest thing out of them all. So the video might be long because I'm not jumping steps or anything. So yeah, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. So yeah, let's get right into the video. Okay, so as you can see now here on zmodeler, so basically all you do at this moment, you just press on file. After pressing on file, you choose the mod you wanna mod. Like for me, I'm gonna basically blur this part because it contains some serious stuff, like now. Okay, here basically I was like importing the rim, or you can import the car that has the rim you want. Then after that, yeah, just go. Yeah, you go to your main mod, then press on the rim that's already on the car. Then after pressing on the rim that's already on the car, press replace. Then you're replacing the rim with the one you just imported now, like to make things simple. Then from here you all will see how I'm working out things. I'll just only talk where it's necessary. Cheers, enjoy. Okay, so now we are adding fog lights. To add fog lights is the easiest thing, press on headlights and then copy. Then after copying, you go back up, you press on rumion by legs, you hold it to paste the thing. Then after you go back to the headlight, you rename them to headlights 2 so that they can work in game. So after you rename, go back, you press on transform. After pressing transform, you bring that invisible thing next to the light where you want the fog light to be, but then you see in the video how I do it, see how I do it, then you're gonna be okay with it. It's not that hard. Like, I don't know why people think using zmodeler is this hard. It's not hard at all. It's simple. Like, it's like learning ABCs. Thanks for your support, James. We came a long way. From 2021 till now, we're already at 16K subs. I thank you guys. Thank you.